just relax right there.
Oh my god. Oh, that sound.
What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the CrackAddictz YouTube channel today. I've got another big video for you, so hopefully you guys enjoy it. Before we get into the video, you can skip to 1 minute 30 seconds if you just want to go straight there. But anyway, just before we get into it, if you haven't actually subscribed to the channel and you enjoy the content, make sure you hit that subscribe button and come back every single day. I'm going to be posting every single day now. I've changed up the editing style as well, so hopefully you guys do like that. Let me know in the comments section. My previous video, I changed the editing style and it got very good rating. So if you do like it, let me know in this video if you want me to keep up with that. I'm going to for now. But if you haven't actually checked out that video, I will have a link in the description for it. And I will have a link in the description for all of them so you can contact them and book an appointment that way. But that's pretty much it for today, guys. I'm going to run the video now and let you get into it. So I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, and we're going to start with the T2 on that left side. We're going to drop to a T3 on the right.
Wow.
There we go. That's a lot of pressure that just got taken off the nerves there. Okay, take a deep breath in and exhale out.
Oh.
Good. One more time, deep breath in and out. Good. So recheck that leg length. Alright, so we had two spots that I wanted to work on here. Okay. Bring this arm up and over and then the other one up and over here. With your thighs, keep them to the table. And I'm going to rotate you this way. Look over the shoulder for me.
Oh, wow.
Good. I'm going to rotate you this way. Look over that shoulder. So this one's a little bit lower here. There. And relax. Go face down again. Okay, bring the bottom leg straight, top leg bent. Perfect. Just like that. Alright, flip to the other side for me.
Crunchy.
Bottom leg straight, top leg bent. Good, good. And then the hip. Relax, relax, relax. You feel that hip come in? Okay. Both sides. You felt how that did pull there? Alright, I'm going to have you stand up. Other side. Good. I'm going to have you bring your hands up and over mine, please. Good. And lean back. I got you. Squeeze your elbows together. Good, good.
My dad likes to do that one.
A lot of people do try that. And I've had a lot of people try to say, oh. Good. And that was already released there.
Yeah.
Okay, so now. Okay. And just relax right there.
Oh my god. Oh, that sound.
Relax, relax. Deep breath in and out. Breathe in and out for me.
I was wondering what my sound would be.
Right up top of the adjustment here.
Pero no me salió para gustarte.
Okay. Deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. Good. Keep your thighs to the table. I'm gonna rotate you this way. Look over the shoulder. Good. Flip sides. And then lay on your back.
Boca arriba.
Good. Feel that up in the hip? Yeah.
Tiene que sentirte eso en la cintura.
Breathe. 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 Breathe for me.
Eso sí duele.
And breathe and breathe. Deep breath in and out.
Atta girl. Yes, ma'am. CrackAddict's gonna love you, Ian. There we go. Gotcha. Had to go back for seconds on that. Can you tell me for me, please, Ian? Let me have your right leg like a limp rag. There you go. Should have felt that from your ankle all the way up to your lower back. I just about pulled your shoe off.
Totally.
Sorry about that. Oh, there we go. Okay, let me have this one too.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
Feel that all the way up into your lower back?
Yep.
Good deal. Let's set you up, face that way, please. Again, breathe through your nose. Yes,
Oh my
ma'am.
God.
Hey, you should have felt that go
Oh,
all the way down.
yes, I did.
Good girl.
Oh,
Oh, you're still kicking your eye.
wow, that was amazing.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, let me have you here, huh? Okay, I got one more. With your left ear. Okay. Head back, good. Nice deep breath through your nose for me. Keep your teeth together, Marcos. There you go. Now you should have felt that go all the way down. Did you? Hey, you're still kicking, you're all right. No, lay your head back there. So his atlas and occiput are hung up on this left side. I'm going to adjust those first. There. Now tilt right. There you go. Boy, oh boy. Look at. Yes, sir. Okay. There it is. I knew you had one and two. We just squeezed it out of it. All right. So you want to keep your teeth together on this one for me, Carlos. Breathe through your nose. There you go.
Ooh.
Yes, sir. You should have felt that all the way down, Carlos.
Oh, I did.
Very good. Keep breathing. Look at there. You're still kicking. In fact, you're kicking even better. Okay. That's it.
Yeah.
Doesn't get any better than that, Carlos. CrackAddict's gonna love you. There you go. That's perfect. CrackAddict's gonna love you, Joel.
Oh.
There we go. A little deeper than what it looks on YouTube, huh?
Yeah.
Legs are now even. This should already feel a little easier than that. Yeah, C3, 4, and C6. Palpating body left. And then his C1 and C2 was a little bit right. Okay, let's set you up and face that. Let's be in there tight, Joel. Take a deep breath through your nose. Oh, there it is right there. Well, I don't have to ask twice if you felt that one all the way down, because I know I did.
Oh man.
Mm-hmm. There you go. There. Let me do it. There you go. Works better when I do it.
Okay, we'll start right there. Go ahead, breathe in and out for me. Good. Keep your back relaxed. Good. Again, one more time, in and out. Good. Now breathe in, hold it in. Good. All the way out. Right there. Good. There. Good. Now, she was tight here in the erector spinae, which does correlate with tight hamstrings. So make sure you keep stretching those hamstrings. Nice and easy here. Very good. Okay. Now go there. That feel okay?
Yes, that felt great.
All right. Now let's go right there. A little tighter on this side too, and this is actually the hamstring that's tighter. All right, nice and easy.
Oh.
Perfect. Feel all right?
Yeah.
Okay, on your back. Now let's get the hips, stay right
Oh,
around
okay.
that. I'm gonna get the hips here, so I'm gonna put this here. Keep that nice and relaxed there. Good. Now, let's go to this side. You feel that in your hips?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Let's do this side. Let's see anything here. Very good.
Oh, that felt good.
That was a good one. Good. All right, let's go right here. Go ahead and breathe in and out. Good. Good. Again. Good. Now breathe in, hold it. Good. All the way down. Do one more right there. Good. All right, now we're gonna come right up here. She's pretty tight in these upper traps and levator. She also, relax. I'll go right there. That's a tender spot. Good. There it is. Good. I wanted to be stubborn there. Okay, now turn on your side. Going this way. Good. So we'll get the lower back. She does a lot of heavy lifting, right? So we got to keep this lower back in line. Good. Relax. Good. Here now. Very good. Same thing here. Okay, one more. Perfect. Going through here first. Go right there. Okay, I want you to go ahead and breathe in and out for me. Very good. Relax the back. Good. Again, in and out. Good. Now I'm going to come up here a little higher there. Go ahead, in and out again. Perfect. All right. Now I'm going to come up here to this cervico-thoracic junction where the neck meets the upper back. This tends to be really tight on a lot of people, and we. Perfect. Now let's do the other side. That feel okay?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Now just keep your head relaxed and let me move it for you. Good. Right there. That's a good spot too. Good. Good. Little one on that side. Good. Okay, now turn on your side facing this way. Now we'll get the lower back here. So you keep that there, down there. I'm going to have you cross your hands here and here. Good. Good. And she was tight here, both sides, erector spinae, but worse on the right. We're going to get this left side here first. Nice and easy. Perfect. Okay, yeah, good. Okay, go here. Good. Switch here. Perfect. All right, now lay on your back. We're also going to get the hips. Again, the hips get tired from sitting all day, but she also works out pretty hard, right? Easy right there. Keep it relaxed. And that one's a little tighter. Correlates to that tightness in the right lower back. Keep it relaxed there. Good. Relax. All right. Now slide up that way. So we'll do this side first. You just keep everything relaxed here. I'm going to lift your head, tilt you here. Good. Same thing on this side. Good. One more. Good. A little one on the first one. Good. 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 And again, she was already moving before I even tried. Good. Now breathe in, hold it in. come up here, get this cervicothoracic junction right in here. Tighter right through here. So I'm gonna put my hand here and tilt your head to the opposite side. Just keep that relaxed. Perfect. Let's do the same thing this side. That feel all right?
Mm-hmm.
Nice and easy here. Perfect. Okay, now turn on your sides going this way. When do you leave for vacation?
Sunday.
Sunday. So she had to come in one day before she leaves for vacation for 2 weeks. Which I was going on a 2-week vacation. Good. All right, keep this nice and relaxed here. Very good. Okay, now go the other way. Feel all right?
Mm-hmm.
There. Let's drop this down a little here. Good. Nice and easy. That was good.
That
Right?
felt so good.
Okay, on your back now. Slide up towards me just a little. Same thing over here. Very good. Let's go this way. Good, nice. Okay. Wow, one more time. Good drop. Okay, good. Exactly, because he's a special case. I think we actually pull his leg this way. And come over this way. Pull those hands together. Good. Other side. I'll actually use his leg and bring it all the way out. There we go. Good. Okay. How does he work his magic? So they all want to know. Come towards me a little bit. Good, nice. Good, nice. Feels even different than this morning, doesn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. How does it feel different? Tell people how it feels different.
It just feels so precise from any other type of adjustment I've ever had.
Yeah, good. Cool, thank you. Yeah. I noticed it went a little deeper. It seemed like a little bit more movement today. And again, people ask, how often can you get it treated? I only treated you a couple hours ago, right? 5 hours
Yes,
ago or something
5
like
hours
that?
ago.
Yeah. And yes, it'll be different. Yes, it's impactful. Yes, it does help. Good. Good. Really tender in here. Oof. Good. Good. Beautiful. Wow. She's putting on a show for you today. Beautiful. Excellent. So, Kim, you're going to walk down the hall. We're going to get you videotaped down the hall. Kind of see.
How's that pressure, okay? Okay, another breath in and out. Again, deep breath in and out. Shoulders relax. Good. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Lay on your side.
Okay, now breathe. Breathe gently. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's adjust this AS here. Nice gentle breath in and out. Okay. So we're gonna do a push. Pisces form. Good. Nice soft breath in and out. Good. Let your shoulders relax. Let your hips relax and come down this way. Turn your head to, and then just breathe softly in through your nose and out through your mouth. Good. Now let your head drop. Good. Let your shoulders drop. Good.
Yay. that's good.
Your shoulders relax. Good. Too tall, too small. Let your shoulders relax. Good. Relax. More. Relax your shoulders. Squeeze. Good. Relax. Relax. Look straight ahead. Good. Loose. Good. Let this go. Good. Good. Same thing. I'm gonna reach around here. Okay. Let your shoulders relax. Good. Let this go. Loose. Let your shoulders go.
Take a breath. Okay, breathe out. Turn on the other side. Safe position. Lock elbows. Okay. You have to take a breath. Breathe out. Lie down on the straight. Shoulder flexion and internal rotation and lateral. So elbow extension, like go to the 0 degree and pull and push. Wrist joint little bit track and give the thrust for thumb like that. Shoulder flexion, medial rotation and lateral rotation.
No pain, no fear of feeling, joyful, very relaxed, inside energy moving.
Lots of people
Fear, no need to fear. It's really wonderful this. You can feel joyful if you not have stress inside. You can feel the energy flowing.
Okay. Close your hand. Little bit track. Okay. You can feel now this type of movement.
Difference. Before, if I do this,
I'm maintaining the thoracic vertebra like T3 and I'm doing the thoracic all over vertebra. और सी शेप को नॉर्मल रखेंगे आप, नेक लूज, ऐसे टर्न नहीं करना आपको, ऐसे रखें. ओके, अनदर साइड. ओके, जस्ट रिलैक्स. अभी मैंने L4 को प्रेस करके एंटीरियर शिफ्ट किया. अभी सैक्रम को जैसे ही हम लोग इंटीरियर शिफ्ट करेंगे तो L5 जो है बाहर आने की, तो अभी हम लोग सैक्रम को फोकस करेंगे। टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ आउट, अगेन आउट, ओके। थोड़ा इनको थोरेसिक वर्टिब्रा में जैसे कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ रहे थे तो थोरेसिक के लिए ब्लॉक करेंगे। टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ आउट,